Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go to this window of Deepseek. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your